Aloha, it's Tana here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make beef broccoli. Beef broccoli is one of my favorite dishes growing up. I'm using a recipe that my dad gave, and of all the recipes I've tried, this is my favorite and comes close to home. Here are the following ingredients. If you are tight on budget and need to buy a cheaper cut for the beef, the trick I'll show you to tenderize it will still make it taste excellent. First, prep the beef. Cut the beef against the grain. You can tell the direction of the grain by noting these lines running along the meat. They are called grains or muscle fiber. Slice against them or perpendicular so that the meat won't be chewy. What you are doing is cutting through the tough fibers and making them shorter so you can chew it easier. Slice them into thin pieces. Set aside the meat for a moment. In a small bowl, mix together the baking soda, water, and oil. This is a Chinese secret to tenderize the meat even further. Add the mixture and massage it into the meat. Set aside. Start making the marinade. In a small bowl, combine the shoyu, rice wine or sherry, sesame oil, 3 dashes of white pepper, and cornstarch. Mix well. Add the marinade back to the beef and briefly toss it until all of the beef is covered in the marinade. Cover the beef and let it marinate in the fridge for an hour or overnight to tenderize and soak in that marinade. In the meantime, prep the broccoli. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add the broccoli florets to the water and let it blanch for 10 to 20 seconds. Don't overcook it. It will cook more later when stir-frying it. Remove the broccoli with a slotted spoon and transfer it to a bowl with ice-cold water to prevent it from cooking any further. Let it cool down completely, then remove the broccoli from the ice bath and set aside. Prep the sauce next. In a small bowl, combine shoyu, oyster sauce, sesame oil, sugar, cornstarch, and water. Mix it well. Set aside. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a wok or non-stick skillet over high heat. Stir fry the beef for about 2 to 3 minutes. Dish it out and set aside. Heat the remaining oil in the wok over high heat. Add the ginger and cook it until it is aromatic. Add in the beef, broccoli, and the sauce. Stir fry until combined well, about 1 to 2 minutes. As soon as the sauce thickens, serve it with hot rice and enjoy this onolicious beef broccoli. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!